Okay, hi guys, me again. We were talking about technical difficulties on this morning's Zoom, and I've been having a lot of them today, so that's the explanation for this video being a little late. But the good news is I got it all figured out, and your assignments are up in Seesaw, and I have some explanations for you here. So today is math and science. So for science, it's a little bit of fun. Thinking about some animals. You get to take a virtual tour to the San Diego Zoo, which is really cool. And what you're going to do is you're going to kind of do the same thing you did with the farm, the virtual farm tour. You're going to watch some videos on some different animals, and I suggest you watch as many as you can because they're pretty interesting and you might learn a thing or two. And then you can, I would like you to record. You can draw too, but I definitely want to hear you talking about why it's your favorite animal and maybe what you learned, okay, about that animal. So that is the science piece. Also, you have a picture that you will see come up for one of the activities, and basically the question is, what is this? You have to basically do some thinking about what you think that picture is and give me your explanation. You can't just say, I think this is a picture of the sky. It's not enough for 4th and 5th graders. You have to tell me what you think it is, why you think that. Give me some supporting details that helps me understand why you're thinking whatever you're thinking. Okay, there is really no wrong answer here. I just need lots of detail. So when you're recording that answer, make sure you put in lots of detail. All right, so 2 science-y type activities today, and then we're getting into some triangles for math. So if I asked you what a triangle is, I'm really curious of what you would say. It's obviously a shape, right? How many sides does a triangle have? It has 3 sides. I made 3 little triangles for you here. As you can see, they're different sizes, but they're not different shapes, right? I mean, they're kind of longer. This one's got a really long bottom. This one's got a short bottom. This one's got kind of a medium bottom. They all have how many sides? 3. Any triangle that you see has 3 sides, and they are all connected, right? There's no open gaps here or gaps. They are always enclosed. And what those lines or sides of a triangle create are little angles. This is an angle, this is an angle, and this is an angle, okay? Every triangle has 3 angles, which we're gonna get into more this week. But for now, your assignment today is just identifying and investigating triangles. So why would I use the word investigating? Because I don't just want you looking at this picture and saying, oh, I see 7 triangles. Count real quick here, it's super easy. It's not really that easy. I want you to, I want you to really investigate. I'm telling you, this picture that you see, there are well over 10 triangles in the picture. So there might be a triangle within a triangle or a triangle within a square. You have to really pay attention to how many triangles are there. There could be a big triangle and then a bunch of little ones within that. Investigate means that you are really looking carefully. You're not just glancing, counting real quick, and calling it a day. Okay, like I said, there's well over 10 triangles in that picture. So I just want you to get comfortable with identifying triangles for today. And then as the week goes on, I'm going to be teaching you what these different angles mean, what they're called, and kind of, you're going to know triangles through and through by the time we're done with this section. So this is something new. So to start off, I just kind of want you getting familiar with triangles and being able to spot them. Okay, so pretty easy assignments today. Most of you have done your 5 times each. I'm still waiting for some of those. And then I'm still looking at some of the assignments. People are still submitting things on Seesaw. So I would like to get out a missing assignment report to everyone so you know what you need to complete in order to have full credit. If you weren't on the Zoom today, you missed the drawing for the Amazon gift card, and Nate was our winner, so congrats to Nate. Nate got let me look at my sheet here. Nate got almost every single assignment done, so that was pretty impressive. And I just want to say something about completing your assignments. We can work together to get those assignments handed in. I know that on Seesaw, some of the tools, people are having a hard time kind of scrolling through and being able to get to the bottom of the page to either record your answer or type your answer. Listen, if you write out your answers, take a picture of it and send it to me in an email, attach it to the email. I can walk you through doing whatever you need to do. As long as I know you're doing that work, we're in good shape, okay? If we jump on a Zoom one day and you want to show me 4 assignments that you actually did, I'll give you credit for that. Like I said, I experienced some pretty heavy technical difficulties today myself, so I know that things happen that sometimes we can't control, especially where technology is concerned. So I'm willing to do whatever it takes to make sure you guys are getting credit, okay? So we have to work together though. And students, I was talking to a couple of students today who didn't have a clue what I was talking about because they weren't watching the videos. They depended on their parent to watch the videos and then tell them the information. Guys, please, and girl, please watch the videos. It's important. This message is for you. This is how I teach in class every day. I stand at the front, I deliver the information. You guys sometimes take notes. We watch a video, and then you practice with a worksheet or an assignment or whatever the case might be. I'm trying to keep that normalcy as much as possible because you're going to be returning to school in the fall. Things may look a little different than they did before, but ultimately you're going to be returning to school and you're going to be responsible for listening and following directions, and you're going to be responsible to do your assignments. So please make sure that you're doing the work, you're doing the typing. If it's too hard for you to write on the screen with some of those Seesaw activities, get a piece of paper and write it that way. A lot of people, for the double-digit multiplication, a lot of people rewrote those problems, did the problems themselves with pencil, and took a picture of it, and that's great. You get full credit as long as you get the answers right, obviously. If you're doing something completely wrong, I give you a message or a comment on that, and I can get back to you. Please make sure you're checking those for redos also, okay? Please know, again, I am super flexible with how you're getting this stuff to me, and the timeliness, I guess I could say, that you're getting it to me. The important part is that you get it to me, okay? This is our last quarter of the year. We just have a handful of weeks left. We can do this, okay? So keep working hard. There will be another Amazon drawing. I'm not telling you when because I want you to get those assignments in. And just keep that in mind though, okay? So any questions, please email me and we'll go from there, okay? So good luck with your assignments today. I'm including the Seesaw code on this email, and I'll see you in the morning for some more explanation about triangles. We're going to get more into that, and for some reading fun, okay? I will be Zooming tomorrow with 2 separate groups for reading, so I will be sending that information separately, okay? So please keep checking the email, and again, guys and gals, these videos are for you. These assignments are for you, so please give me your best. If you do it completely wrong, I'm okay with that because I know that you'll learn from it and we'll make it happen, okay? So everybody, give me your best and I will see you soon.